Hello and welcome. This is an unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yeah, I ended up buying one. So, what you call it? I've had an Android phone for probably 10 years. So, yeah, I've decided to take the leap of getting an iPhone. So, we're gonna unbox this bad boy together. So we gotta rip off the top. So we'll do that right now. There we go. So we gotta pull this tab out. There we go. So that's the two tabs done. Unboxing this. There we go. Oh, wow. Holy shit. I'm not gonna lie, this is the first iPhone I've ever had, so this is gonna be interesting. Okay, that's nice. Wow, that feels good. Yeah, I made the right choice. Alright, so we got the phone there. So we'll put it here for now. Right there in the corner. So it comes with the USB-C to Lightning cable. And then just a little bit of info. So the box size is obviously reduced because, as you guys have known, they are removing the chargers because, save the planet. And you can also buy ones from Amazon, like an Anchor charger, for example. So let's pull this up. Oh, wow. That is really something. That's special. Alright, let's start it up. Let's see, it's starting now. Hello. We're just gonna scroll up. It's like oh my god, they weren't kidding about the frame rates. Jeez. Okay, wow, that's actually quite nice. Select your country. I'm gonna put obviously. Where's the United Kingdom? There we go. Sorry, I'm trying to look at the screen and also set this up. Okay, so it's just activated, and it's activating now, and True Tone just turned on as well. So it's quite hard to see, but it's got a yellowish tint, which is quite nice. The next review will be when we actually get a month down the road and see how this feels. So this should be fun. Till then.